Your homework for Monday is in two parts. The first part is to answer these two questions um, in the file that I've attached to on Show My Homework. So the first one is, this angles that we did part 1 in class. I want you to do part 2 and part 3. And this one here is about edges, vertices and faces of 3D shapes, and I want you to answer all 6 questions. Now part 2 of the homework is for you to go on to MyMaths. Now part 2 is over here. The link to MyMaths I've provided here. You can either copy and paste it into a new tab or actually click on it. When you go onto MyMaths, you will need to enter username and password. Your username is Sydney. This is for everyone. So Sydney, and your password is algebra, written here. Algebra. When you've done that and you logged in, what I want you to do is go back to Show My Homework and take a look at the first link that I've provided. The first link is over here. You can either click on the first link or copy and paste it in a new tab and go on it. When you've done that, you'll be shown this this page that has Angles 2 as the title. Now what you need to do is click on the 1 and go through each slide, and when you've done that, you'll be going through each slide, reading it, taking notes in your head, and then on paper you'll be taking notes about obtuse angles, acute angles and reflex angles. Now when you can't click anymore and you've reached the end, see the next has disappeared, what you need to do is go on to the next page. This is the topic 2 of Show My Homework. And these are questions, so you'll be dragging things there and there. Question 3, then again page 3, there is no next, so you go to page 3. Page 4 is another question. Page 5, you can keep going next. And this part is talking about polygons. Enough of that. The next link is this here, Angles 3. You can either click on it or copy and paste again, and when you've done that, again you'll be brought up to a similar page as previously. This one is Angles 3 as a topic. Again, start with 1. This tells you about how we could measure angles and how to estimate angles. I want you to take notes on the first page. Take notes on full circle or a full turn around a point, how many degrees it is, what a quarter is, what a half turn is, and what a 3/4 turn is. And again, you'll be going through all these pages answering the questions. I would like for you to answer the questions. I would like you to take notes in your books, and it needs to be done neatly. Your title for when you take notes is going to be Angles 2. Take notes from this page. Your title for Angles 3. And then take notes on Angles 3. I don't want you to take too much notes, only the key points. I will put the key points on Show My Homework for what I want you to take notes on. Enjoy the homework. I shall see you on Monday. Any questions, you can come and see me tomorrow.